Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. Hope everyone's having a great day. I know I'm about to have a great day because my mail lady just came by and left me with this package here from none other than Paul Springett. Um, yeah, what can I say? The guy is absolutely awesome and one generous guy too. This is actually the third package I've gotten from him. Actually, I had to count there. Third package that he sent me. Yeah, what can I say? He's constantly helping me out with things I need and some surprises as well. I only know of a couple things in here that I can remember, but it's a little bit bigger than what I thought he was sending. So sure, there's some extra goodies in there. But before I open it up, Paul, I honestly don't have words to describe how awesome this is for me and how nice of you it is to help not only me, but I see quite a few other people that you're sending packages to, and yeah, just another just some more proof that this community is one of the greatest on YouTube, guys. Yeah, don't know what else to say. I'm yeah, at a loss for words, but we do have this package to get into, and might as well just stop blabbering and cut into it and see what we got here. Paul doesn't have any videos out, but maybe with if you guys go over and subscribe to him, maybe he'll eventually one day start making videos. Not sure. Maybe it'll give him a little incentive there to start making videos. Okay. Alright, take this out of frame for a second, guys. Man, Paul, I really appreciate how you pack these things. This is awesome. No worries there. And I'll actually be saving these foam inserts. Oh, my screen went black. Hang on, guys. My camera screen just went black. I'm gonna have to fix that. Hang on, guys. Alright, guys, I'm back. Didn't get any further. It just, I don't know why, but my camera screen went totally black and I couldn't see what I was filming, so I had to reset my phone. Carefuling. Okay, I wonder what we got here. Like I said, I only know of maybe one or two things that's in here. So this is a true surprise for me. Let's see if I can get rid of this. That's a little bit better, I guess. Wow. So much stuffs. Let's see what we got. My cat's already having fun with the foam you sent there, Paul. Okay, where to start? Ooh, that's a nice chunky solid rim cylinder, I believe. Wow. I don't make them like this too often. That's a Lockwood. But that's a solid cylinder. Looks like a rim cylinder with the location of the bolts there. I could be mistaken, but let me know on that, Paul. That's awesome. Really heavy cylinder. And we got another rim cylinder here. The usual non-solid, for lack of a better term. That's beautiful. I like the bezel on here too. I can, like I did with my my other lockwood there, I put the bezel. I could mount it on a piece of board or plexiglass or something. Oh, awesome! More quickset keys. These are actually really useful to me. This is, well, not all you see around here, but it's close to all you see around here. It's all we have in the building here that I, as you guys know, I take care of all the locks in the building here. Oh, this is a little short stubby. Wow. I wonder if that's even 5-pin. I'm guessing it's going to be a 4. Oh, interesting. It's a wafer lock. Oh, it might be 5 wafers. That's weird. I've never seen that before. And it's one of these, I've yet to show the other cylinder I have, but it's another one of these Euros that only turns in one direction. You can see the cam there. So you wouldn't be able to turn that way. That's interesting. I wonder if that would be hard. Have to visit that in the near future. I'll put that aside over here. What else do we got? Oh, awesome. I was actually going to ask about one of these. Looks like an older lockwood with a strange keyway that I'm not familiar with. Interesting, interesting. And thanks for the blanks, Paul. Pretty sure all lockwoods have the same space and depth, so I'm all set with that. And yeah, this, I don't know, bezel, I guess it would be called, will be put to use because I'm working on a project where I'm fitting this mortise into a piece of wood and having like a mock-up of how these are installed. Has a Protec in it right now. Again, from Paul. Thanks again, buddy. Yeah, I'm trying to collect a few different mortises from around the world. I'd like to get a Euro one and a Scandinavian oval one eventually, but oh, that's a really nice rim cylinder with a, that's actually a kick holder. Oh, my cat's trying to get inside the box. Oh, that's really nice. It's almost brand new. And these are the kick cylinders that we're used to seeing here. Very nice. Thanks, buddy. Oh, awesome. I'm going to save that for later. What do we have here? Another cylinder. Get rid of some of these empty bags. Okay. Where were we? Oh my gosh. Wow. I'm speechless. Another lock I never thought I would have in my collection, Paul. For those of you that don't know that symbol, oh, can't see it, first of all. That's a V7. And that is just something else. V7 is like an engine, for lack of better words. The pins are oriented in a V shape, and yeah, so they're staggered, and there's seven pins. Definitely gonna do a video on this soon. Wow, that's just awesome. I don't know what to say about that. And we're not done yet. I'll do this guy. Actually, I just watched the video that Bobby Keys uploaded, and he got a V7 as well. cool brass finish cylinder. Oh, that's a tailpiece I've never seen before. A little worse for the wear, but I can definitely do something with that. Might even sand it down to a fresh metal. Might make a challenge lock out of it. Not sure. That's cool though. Well, see this right here, and I know what this is. This is the Avis shackle removal tool, shackle change tool. That's awesome. Paul seen me struggling the other day with my tension wrench trying to get my Avis shackle back in. That's really cool, buddy. Might do a video on that. Leave that there. Get rid of these bags. What do we have here? We have a long cylinder. Oh, that's beautiful. Wow. Is that an old logo or is that a new logo? That's an awesome cylinder. That's really long for thick doors. That's gonna stay in my collection. That's awesome. That's really cool. I wonder how long that is. I have 500 mils. Yeah, 5 centimeters. Before the cam. Oh, sorry guys. Awesome, buddy. That is wicked. That's gonna stay in my collection for sure. And what do we have here? Looks like a cabinet lock of some sort. Oh, actually, this is what Bobby. Another V7. Is it? Or is it just a weird keyway? It looks like a V keyway. That is something else. I seen Bobby figured out that you can turn the cylinder to get the bolt to go out, but pretty sure that they're supposed to be mounted, and yeah, the key turns the bolt. I'll definitely do a video on this pretty soon too. Figure that all out. That is awesome. Wow, man, I don't know what to say, Paul. Thank you doesn't seem like enough. And we're not even done. What do we have here? Oh, awesome. It's another thing I like to collect is security pins, and there's some different ones in here that I have not seen before. Like torpedo, but driver. Wow, this piece of crap camera. Yeah, kind of, I guess it's a mushroom. And we got the shallow spools. Let me take a closer look here. And we got some serrated key pins, some deep Lockwood spools, and we got some shallow Lockwood spools. Oh, and a T-pin. A few T-pins too. Awesome. The serrated key pins are kind of interesting. Yeah, I love collecting factory security pins. Some of the more unique ones. Actually, I just uploaded a video today about some of my favorite security pins in the Acid 2. This video should follow that. And so we looked at all this. Yeah, last but definitely not least, I asked if he, wow, 3 of them. I'm going to need some more Avis. I asked if he stocked these these ABUS kick adapters for the 83 series. Basically lets you put a kick cylinder into one of those ABUSes. And he didn't have any, but he's so kind that he went out to his supplier and got me 3 of them. So I'm going to need some more ABUS in my future. I'll probably get I'd love to get the closed shackle version of the 83. That's a pretty cool lock. I can't afford any of the bigger ones right now, but that is awesome. I'm definitely going to be putting, what should I put in there? Not that. Actually, I can probably be putting my my CX5 into the ABUS. Be a nice home for it. It's just in a kick holder right now. I might revisit that lock again too, actually. But yeah, what an awesome package, Paul. I really, like I said, thank you doesn't seem like enough. If there's anything at all I can do for you, man, just don't be shy to ask. If there's anything you want from Canada that you can't get around there, I don't know, anything at all, Paul, don't be shy to ask. Some wicked stuff here. I don't know where to start. I'll probably be checking this out soon. Maybe I could find some sort of blank that would fit that too, actually. But yeah, this will probably stay in my collection, and curious to see what this is too. I think it's a B7. Anyway, guys, video's getting a little long here, and I'm actually getting ready to head out to do some work in my mom's basement. We're doing a renovation. But as always, I appreciate you guys joining me on this one, and never pick locks that aren't yours or that you don't have permission to pick. Paul, like I said, I don't know what to say, man. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much, man. Doesn't seem like enough, but like I said, if you need anything, don't be shy to ask. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.